Hi, I'm Merritt. I'm only organized in my planner, and today I'm planning in my big dashboard happy planner. It's my work planner for the week of February 5th through the 11th. And I'm just going to go ahead and say that if I worked a corporate job or some other type of job, I probably wouldn't be decorating my planner the way that I do. However, I am a teacher in an elementary school, and so I like posting my planner, and I like taking pictures, and I like it being bright and cheerful. And so since I am in an elementary school, it doesn't feel quite as weird to decorate my planner all up. All right, so there are lots of these gold stickers, and you know, I never use gold stickers, hardly ever. Well, I shouldn't say never. A lot of planners do not use gold stickers because they look weird in the light. But you know what? We're gonna do it. We are gonna use these gold stickers, and we're gonna love them. They're very sticky though. All right. So there's the first one down. Let's see what else we want to use. I feel like that this book was one of the books that was meant to be for like a blackout sticker book, but we're just gonna go ahead and do it. That's not the one I want to use. I'm gonna use this one that says all the things. In other words, get all the things done and accomplished. And there are lots of things to get accomplished this week. So let's make sure we're in screen and go with what's happening. Okay, so the first thing we need is, it's a testing week. So I need something that's going to indicate that. So what did I just do? There we go. All right, I think I'm going to put the testing schedule up here. I need a box or two for that. It is testing for our students who are not native English speakers, to test their command of the English language in terms of what they understand for like academic language. So they will be testing on that this week. I thought I had some. I thought there were some boxes in here. Maybe I'm just imagining that. I had these, but I don't think I have enough. I only have 3. That's not gonna work. Ah, these are the ones I was looking for. But again, there's only 3 of these. Okay, so let's go back to all right, here we go. We're gonna do these. So on Monday, I'm gonna turn it this way while I make sure that these line up really well. And then I'll turn it the other way. All right, so Monday, I need 4 of them. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Friday's the makeup day. So we have speaking, listening, reading, and writing assessments. All right, so that gets each day assessments. And then let's get ourselves, let's do a little mantra on each day. So we can start. This one needs to go all the way to the edge, I guess. All right. Good vibes. And hello today. I'm trying to get them where they wind up on the line, if you're wondering what is taking me so long. All right. I'm skipping big plans because I don't have big plans. Just no big plans at all. Then this. Oh, those are the same. So we're going to put this Love My Life elsewhere. We just might have to make big plans so that this one here is not a lie. Right there. All right, then we're going to put, let's erase this tasks here. And we'll put, there we go. All right, that's a lot of gold. What are we looking like here? Okay, oh, yeah, lots of gold going on. Let's go with all right, we're gonna put Wonder can go there. Let's see what else we're doing here besides struggling. I feel like I need some color to match these. So let's just go ahead and add these in. So this one can go here. We're just gonna cut that straight right like that. Oh, I screwed up. All right, we're gonna have to do some sticker surgery because I did not mean to do all of that. Okay, we're going to get it as straight as I can right there. I think that's pretty, I think it's pretty close. Let's hope so. just didn't cut very straight, did I? Oh well, whoops. That one down there. Okay, close enough though. All right, so that goes there. And then we'll put that one can go there. And then this one, we will white out these. Can go right here. All right, I'm gonna have to punch those. Do something about this. It's not terrible, but it does infringe upon this Wonder sticker. Okay. That looks a little better. Okay, so now I feel like I need something colorful over here on this side. And then that might be about it. I think there were some more of these. Yep, that are small. So let's add that one there. And then I kind of want to put this one down here, but I'm not really sure. If we do it like that, maybe it doesn't look like it's an actual bouquet where that has a stem, that it just melds in. Okay. I still feel it's lacking something, whoops, in this general vicinity, but I don't know what it is. I think it's just gonna have to be done. It's not my favorite, but it works, and it looks a lot better in person than it does on camera because of all of that gold. But let's just all right. Oh, I did say that I needed to punch that, didn't I? And you weren't loud enough to remind me. Okay, so that one's on. I don't know if my drawers are getting smaller or if I'm just cramming more crap into them. I'm gonna guess that they're not miraculously smaller. So must be all the junk that I'm slamming into them. Do you do that? Like, I have had this desk in this office for, let's see, since 2021. And I just keep accumulating more stuff, and I'm not getting rid of things. And it just is adding up. All right, so there it is. That's the spread for the 5th through the 11th. It's fine. It's okay. I was trying to use up some gold stickers, and this is what we ended up with. So let me know what you think. Or hit subscribe so you can see some that look better than this. So, or if you feel like going and follow me on Instagram, I'm at Only Organized in My Planner over there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.